Two flavors, one dish. Sweet chili lamb chop sizzling on one side, guava glazed perfection on the other. Served with corn, veggie ribbons, and rice and peas. Watch these gourmet lamb plates come alive. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Teika's Kitchen. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds. Let's get into the prep. A quick lineup of Maggi all-purpose seasoning, jerk seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic powder, fresh ginger, garlic, pimento berries, black pepper, and olive oil. I'll start by scouring the fat on the lamb shoulder blades. Now, scouring the fat helps the seasoning penetrate deeper and renders the fat more evenly while cooking. Now it's time to wash. First, we're going in with pure water, and then we will follow up with some lemon slices and also some vinegar there as well to ensure that our meat is nice, fresh, and clean. And it's now time to pat dry. Pat drying is very important because we want our seasoning to be potent. Hitting it first there with some freshly grated ginger. Alright. Followed up with the garlic. Crushing some pimento berries there, or we could say island spice. Followed up with the paprika, garlic powder, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and also the dried jerk seasoning. And we're sprinkling generously. A flavor bomb is what we are about today. Alright, hitting it there with some freshly ground pepper, followed up with olive oil. Now, time to give it an awesome massage, coating every side with that bold spice mix. Now, if you got time, you can marinate this overnight or for 2 hours. But in the meantime, while that is soaking or marinating, we are making our carrot ribbons with a vegetable peeler. Green bell peppers going in as well to add the perfect punch of color and flavor. Next is some sweet corn that we'll be serving on the side. We're just gonna boil these and smother them in some butter. And our sauce ingredients: guava jelly, soy sauce, vinegar, ginger, and some sugar there as well, and of course sweet chili for our other flavor. Alright, next it's time to get sizzling, and to our olive oil we have added thyme and don't know with the lamb blade shoulder chops. Just listen to that sizzle. Now after 2 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, we give it a flip because we don't want them to overcook. We're just locking in that flavor. So 2 to 3 minutes per side. Alright, and by the time you know it, that time has passed. Taking them out now. Look at that, guys. A beauty to behold. Next with our second batch, and we're doing the same thing. After 2 to 3 minutes, you flip. Alright, and then we are nice and ready to go. Now, starting off with our guava glaze, we have added some water in with the Jamaican guava jelly. Alright, just allow that to melt away. Adding some savory kick to it, so we went in with some soy sauce and ginger, followed up with vinegar and a little sugar there as well. Alright, giving this a good stir, and as soon as these jelly pieces melt away, it's time to put them in, guys. And remember, only 2 minutes we need to coat these for, because what we just want them to soak up that flavorful sauce or glaze, but we don't want to overcook them. Alright, and guess what? These are indeed ready, and just look at these, guys. Oh my goodness, these were so good. Alright, so they are nice and ready. Removing them from the flame, and then we are going with our sweet chili sauce. This one is easy, not a lot, so we're adding the sweet chili sauce there with some water, vinegar, and soy sauce. Alright, allow it to come to a nice little simmer, going there with our other chops, giving it a good flip. Remember, 2 minutes is just right to get them nicely coated without overcooking. Alright, and by the time you know it, those are off as well. To salted water, we have added butter, pimento berries, and thyme. We'll just bring that to a boil. While that is boiling, we are working our veggies. So to garlic herb butter, we have added these veggie ribbons. So the carrot, the green bell pepper, sprinkle there with a little Maggi all-purpose seasoning, dried parsley flakes with black pepper. Give that a good toss, 2 minutes, and that's a wrap, because we still need them colorful with a bite. Alright guys, our sweet corn are ready also. What we're doing is just to strain them from that hot water. This is just a simple recipe. We're just going to toast these in some garlic herb butter just to enhance the flavor, and sometimes simple does it best, because the garlic butter flavor on these corn, oh my goodness. And it's time to serve up. So to our plate with rice and peas, we're adding the masterpiece, the sweet chili lamb chop. Oh my goodness guys. Up next is our second plating, and on this one we are having corn on the cob with that guava glaze shoulder blade chop. Oh my goodness. Look at that guys, a masterpiece. Oh yeah, now if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button guys. Come on, press that like button, I'm waiting. Subscribe, and also if you haven't done yet, turn on your post notification bells so that you can be notified when I upload these videos, cause like you can't afford to miss this, right? And we're adding the remainder of the glaze, the guava glaze. Yep, and look at that, just like that, dinner is served. Now also remember, you can share this video with your friends and your families, and comment down below and let me know which of these plates you're ordering, whether it be the sweet chili lamb chop shoulder blade or the guava glazed shoulder blade. And look at that guys, dinner is served in fine style. Thank you for cooking with me today, and see you in the next one.